Good morning to all our listeners tuning in this morning. We say welcome to Ouch Malangi Show. Ano benaka we came to turang na marama turbuno ngone all the students enjoying their last few days of school break, maybe in the village. Tapi tahu deh saudara ada benua sampai kadang dibully. Lagi maru tang tu deh sering dibully na biasa berbura.
Right.
Ni andra ni mata benaka.
Good morning.
Nalong just long week, the week in front.
Right. Sama to pala bukan mato minggu
Yeah.
Right.
The 26th will the school will started.
Yes.
Thank you very much to all the parents.
Yes.
To all the mbumbu, to all the momo out there, the nay,
Yes.
the sister, the brothers who are taking care of our children because
True.
of their coming.
Iya.
So ngauna anda sa aliw mo ken ta sa rabibis to na momo,
Iya,
the
tira.
nay na big sister. Kito sa kumandangan ni pulang na buling galaw kay niyo ngane
Right.
because of the love that carry us between us, because we don't know. There will become a time we will never see each other. Maybe we go to overseas.
Right.
Some of us we will be going somewhere.
Yeah.
Some of us we go underground because we are thankful. We
Tama.
have the life, the love
Yeah.
that we have come.
Right.
Don't go benak. We say good morning, mate.
Yes, we say good morning to all the students,
Yeah.
all the children tuning in this morning. It's about time now
Yeah.
that you relook at your book.
Yeah.
School
Kira-kira,
break, school
the
break,
school
education break.
Yes, education na times table, na spelling, na wili wala tu matanga, tu matanga tani wala, wili ka tu refresh ta talo ba kasama, baru ta ba kasama, train your mind.
Yeah.
Tell your mind that you're about to go back to school.
Yeah.
Don't go benak. Di dasarnya, nanumita rin tumbuh play important role to the preparation of our kids. Looking forward to the first school term in 2026. Okay. Tapi tahu cerita orang lalang sawa ti about the bago na uku
Right.
Said na makeup. We asked us the Eleanor about the makeup.
Alam ko minggo biyo na ka.
Siya na. Bata ko na teach you din pula na basic.
Iya dia na right.
That makes you ladies,
Groom.
the
Yes.
Fijian ladies, with buninga,
Yes.
with ulumbuki, more beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Na tapa na bimbi ni makeup. Chuko na kena lawa. Do we have a law or the things that you do? And ano makeup, no apply takar makeup, say just do it anyhow.
Okay, etiko na ngunsala na lawa muri
Iya.
na kina mo apply ta kana makeup.
Right.
Yes, lebo biki mami.
Iya.
Many of us
Iya.
we apply makeup that we are comfortable with.
Right.
Some of us just like to apply lipstick.
Yes. Do you think
With how
the
to
Messi
apply it.
can wear makeup?
He will look beautiful if he wears makeup.
See, I said yesterday, Ben.
He should have
Baby.
makeup and fake eyelashes to go with. The one that
The fake eyelashes.
yes, very big.
Makatang
like
tu na
this.
tikuku ni bulu Macau.
Kung
Tahu
isakat,
ko din bulu makaw melam naman ni Mother.
kata-kata ba ko kay liyo may natangi.
Iyo.
Irbe ko tali tu na eyelashes.
Yeah, that's a fan. That's a great fan for you.
Warto na
Your
batatang
eyes. Because your eyes is like a walkathon.
Cinta lang ko.
Iyo. The Messi's eyes it's like a walkathon. Keep on walking. This way.
Iyo.
And one time go this one go this way, this one go.
Lairo. Naway pa ni Lori.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because
Kaya baka mong kay Bangor, I'll be the second one building in the jungle with more guy.
okay, but so na we kedara dorbo siya we kibin na dorbo
Yes.
So nga no ni na pawta kay do na wala no ni tao siya no ni nela o timuni and do talita ka mo ko na uku. So when you are planning to go somewhere, please give her time.
Yes.
Meron ni uku kin maka ko ni dunru kina.
Doon ko taro.
Iyo.
Wikem ro naturanga.
Right?
Damna mo na why
Yeah.
do men, a lot of men
Iyo.
don't like
Okay, some prefer natural look.
Alright.
Kaya ko ba lipstick sa ba sila imbor na matamu, ay ko nang dutsu nga mateo timo.
Right?
Yeah, it doesn't make a difference,
Yeah, it doesn't make a difference. But
Yeah.
why? Sabir natura nga natuko na rin. Kung ita mali madhabuta
Yeah.
na badwa din mata mo.
But sa- there's
O siya
Alam
na rin
ko,
ko man
Sena-
ang buling-buling suli may biko.
Siya nga like we are different.
Yeah.
Some women they have been doing that
Yeah.
before they met their husband or
Okay.
their boyfriend.
Right.
So why do you want to change that?
Do you love men?
Yes, we women love
Yes,
men.
domo na natangan, nakasa tuko na tangan ko na pamurya.
Kaya ka santo mo nelaw na kahit sa ko tamay nelaw mga tiki kwaya. Iko mo na tingko mo talaga.
The love that carry you, that leave your home and comes to my home.
Yes.
Okay,
That
sana pa nga go.
Okay.
Because to come to a conclusion,
Go,
to
go
come
on.
in the middle, meet in the middle, the lady should...
Rota burua-rua.
Seryo, the lady should pluck
Gori.
the husband's eyebrow.
Iyo.
Eh?
May lava. May pasisita ka ba ito? Asan ka hindi nakira pala siya ng ni Simiro ba? O tutu sa tanging may.
Sa wala talaga mo.
Matutuway sa tani may sa ole may. Matutuway sa tani may sa ole may.